Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete a Facebook page on a mobile phone. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you just have to open up your Facebook application on your iPhone or Android device and select your page from this drop down menu. So I've already selected this page. Once you've done that, you just have to click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. After you click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, let's go to this and scroll down until you see your information, access and control. Just click on it and then just click on delete page. This is permanent. If you want to delete it, you can also deactivate your page, which is temporarily. And once you have selected your option, just select it and click on continue, and it will delete your Facebook page. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.